If you've been getting into sewing or quilting lately, then these sewing clips from VTECHOLOGY will make it so much easier. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and these sewing clips have honestly become one of my favorite sewing tools. They come in a pack of 100 reusable clips, so I always have plenty on hand no matter what project I'm working on. I also love that they hold multiple layers of fabric securely without slipping or damaging the material. And the bright assorted colors make them easy for me to spot while I'm working. I also really like how sturdy they feel and how much faster they make setting up my projects compared to using traditional pins. I use these clips to keep my fabric pieces neatly together while I sew, which really helps everything stay in place and makes the whole process so much smoother. Instead of using pins that poke holes in my fabric, these clips hold everything in place, are so easy to use, plus they're so much safer to use as well. They've definitely earned a permanent spot in my sewing kit, and I know I'll be reaching for them every time I sew. And that's just my point of view.